Our visualization aims to maximize the New York City taxi driver revenue. This is the detailed diagram of the architecture of a system. At a high level, our backend system consists of processed and clean data stored in a PostgreSQL table which is exported to a CSV to be consumed by Python. This CSV is loaded into a Python pandas dataframe object which is served as a JSON file using an API backend with Python Flask. This is a view of a front end. The map is plotted using the Leaflet library and the heat map plugin. This map is set to update on each filter action with the rest of the charts and filters present on the page. As you can see, I am updating the filters right now and the map gets updated properly. Various histograms are plotted using D3.js and interaction with other filters are done using crossfilter and DC library. Each bar is clickable. As you can see, each bar is clickable and multiple selections are also possible. As you see, I have multiple selections selected in each of the charts. The different views we have are boroughs, total fare in dollars, passenger count, the tip in dollars, the timeline which shows the trend and the possibility to select a particular specific time zone, and the map of NIC which has all the trip data mapped. Now we shall understand how each of this interact with each other with a few example scenarios. For scenario 1, let's say we have driver Alex who starts his day at 10 am at Manhattan. He wants to have the maximum possible total fare in his first trip. So now let's just trace what he has to do in this scenario. Like I said, driver Alex is at Manhattan, so he selects Manhattan and borough. And he wants to have the maximum possible total fare, so he selects 30 plus and 20 to 30 in total fare. And let's say he starts his day at some random day 28th, and like I said, he starts his day at sometime around 10 am. So we just fix the window, and now in the map the most densest part is where he has to go. As you can see, he should probably go somewhere close by Cathedral Parkway, which is close to Columbia University. For the next scenario, let's say we have driver Jack who is in Brooklyn. He wants to know when he has to ride to maximize his profit. So now we know that driver Jack is in Brooklyn, so he selects Brooklyn and borough. He wants to have the maximum profit possible, so he is probably going to pick the maximum total fare. Now he observes the trend and he wants to probably select the maximum peak here, so he just fix the window, and as you can see, this is one of the many high peaks here. And now he goes and finds out the most densest portion in the map. He finds that he should probably go somewhere near Brooklyn Bridge. For the third scenario, let's say we have driver Barney, who is a cab driver, paid monthly and is looking forward to maximize his tip. So he selects maximum tip 5 to 10 in the tip in dollars. He selects the passenger count to be 1. As more the passenger count, the more the tips he can have, assuming that he can pool. And let's say driver Barney is interested to solve these constraints in this borough Queens. Now, unless in the heat map, you should probably go somewhere near this Woodside Avenue to maximize his tip.